Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Rocket League packet loss and high ping on PC. This tutorial will be quick, just make sure to subscribe and also leave a like if you will find this guide useful. First thing you want to try out is go ahead and close any background applications which you are not using and they are eating your internet connection. So basically end the tasks which are not necessary, like Google Chrome and some other apps. Now, once you have done that, you want to go ahead and update your network drivers. So you want to open up Device Manager. On Device Manager, you will find a network adapters and you want to go ahead and update your drivers from here. Now, another thing, you want to go ahead to Rocket League and choose the correct region. So to do this, open up Rocket League, go to Play option, click on, for example, Casual, and then you will see regions here. So you want to choose either recommended one or just choose the region you are in. Now you also want to go to the settings of Rocket League, and once you are here on gameplay, you want to make sure that client send rate, server send rate, and bandwidth are all high, set on high. Just make sure to do that. And input buffer, you want to choose at first STS. If that will not fix the problem, choose CSTS. Now, after you've done that, you can go ahead and close Rocket League. Now you will need to go to Epic Games Launcher. Now on here, you want to go on your profile and go to settings. From here, scroll down until you will find Manage Games. You want to make sure that Allow installs during gameplay is unselected. Now, if you are using Wi-Fi, you want to go ahead and use Ethernet if you have an option, because it will have more stable connection. If you don't have such an option, then you want to go to your network settings. So if you don't have an option to use Ethernet, then you can go ahead and use Wi-Fi, of course. Just go ahead to Advanced Network Settings, then choose your Wi-Fi and then More Adapter Options. On More Adapter Options, you want to go ahead and choose IPv4, double click on it. And you want to use the following DNS server addresses. So just write down on preferred DNS server 8888 and on alternate 8844. See if the problem is still there. If the problem is still there, you want to go ahead and change these settings to 1.1.1.1 to 1001. Change to these settings. And that should fix your problem. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time.